Hello. If you wanna turn on face unlock on your Nokia 6.2, you have for the first go to the settings, and then we have to click on the security and location. And as you can see, there is option face unlock, so there is not set actually, but we are going to do this. So click on it and set up screen lock. So of course we have to choose another unlock method, so we'll go for the face unlock and pattern. So first we have to draw our pattern and confirm it. And there's also the notification settings, so I will go with show all notifications content. And now we have to add face data. So we can just continue and press start. Okay, the face was full scanned, so click on it done. And now when we turn off our screen and click on it on the power button to unlock, our face was scanned. And if I just put the finger on the camera and try to unlock, it shouldn't be work. So as you can see, it doesn't work right now, so we have to use our pattern. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.